Clear this once and for all. There are people who are motivated by ZANU to imagine and think that we are going for Congress. Look, we are a new political organization. We don't hold Congress. We have no intention to hold Congress. Our roadmap and path to power has no Congress in it. Not just in form and character and practice. No, we're not holding a Congress. That doesn't exist. The nomenclature of a Congress itself. I'll give you an example. What if we're going to have a National People's Convention? What if we're going to have an assembly? We are not going to have a Congress. The Congress belongs to MDC, ZANU, and other political formations. The nomenclature of a Congress does not exist in the Citizens Coalition for Change. So it's in the headquarters of ZANU and the Central Intelligence Organization who in their imagination think we are going to have a Congress and they can deploy their people. Look, we have learned from our past movements. We have learned from our history. Look, we have been in this travel for 2 decades. Experience is the best teacher. So we know that the people planning, there is no vacance in the alternative. There is no program for political power. We have been given a temporary mandate to make sure that we steer this ship towards a democratic people. So we have no political program around whatever people would want to call a Congress. In terms of the question on